Tired of coding? Base44 lets you build fully functional apps in minutes just by describing your idea. Explore endless possibilities with Base44's product features. From app templates to seamless integrations, we've got you covered. If you can describe it, you can build it. Base44 transforms your ideas into working apps with no coding necessary. The backend is built in automatically. User sign-ins, data saving, and role-based permissions are all handled behind the scenes. Our platform comes with built-in hosting. Publish your app instantly and share it with the world. Users are blown away by Base44. See why founders and developers are building faster than ever before. Scale as you go with pricing plans designed to match your growth. Start for free and upgrade as you need more features and support. So, what are we building? Let's make your dream a reality. Start building with Base44 today.